Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this parrot inspired makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I created it, just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm using the Eyelure Brow Pencil in the shade Mid Brown number 20, and I'm just sketching out the shape of the parrot and where the certain colours will go. After that, I'm then taking the NYX liquid black liner and I'm just going over the outline of the beak. Then after outlining the beak, I'm taking the black shade from the Morphe 35B palette and just filling it in. So the next product I'm using today is the NYX liquid white liner, and I'm using this to create the highlights. Then after that, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics white eyeshadow base and applying that around the eye. Then over the top of the NYX eyeshadow base, I'm applying the Snazzaroo white face paint. I'm also taking that same white face paint across the lid. Then with the NYX liquid black liner, I'm connecting the white shape I created with the face paint to the beak. The first shadow I'm applying to create the colour is the dark green shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm applying that just above the black shape I created with the liner. Then I'm taking the lighter green shade and blending that across the eyebrow, and I'm creating the head shape with this. I'm then applying the light blue shadow from the same Morphe palette, and I'm dragging my brush back and forth to create the feathers. I'm then going in with this yellow shade and I'm applying that in between the white face paint and blue shadow. So after that, I'm taking this darker blue eyeshadow and I'm applying this with an angled brush, and this is going to create depth to the feathers. I'm then going back in with that same dark eyeshadow with a pencil brush, and I'm applying that just underneath the beak. Then taking the yellow shade and applying that right next to the darker blue eyeshadow. And after that, I'm taking a makeup wipe and taking off any of the sketch lines I didn't need. Then to clean up the edges, I'm taking my foundation on a liner brush and I'm just going round the edges that I wiped off. So this was the first time that I actually tried out this look, and I didn't practice it beforehand either, so I was super proud how it turned out. After tidying up the lines, I'm taking the NYX liquid black liner again, and I'm creating small black dots and lines across the eye and on the eyelid. I'm then applying mascara to my top lashes, and then going in with some lashes on top, and the ones I used today are from Prima Lash. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, as I do post new videos over here every week, and it'd be really cool if you subscribed. And also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys, bye!